Stop by and take a look at the 2015 M5. BMW M5 have delighted driving enthusiasts with a combination of breathtaking performance, stunning agility, and elegant luxury to create a unique driving experience. The BMW M5, introduced to the American market in October of 2005, takes those attributes to an even higher level than its predecessors with new design, new technology, and new engineering to create what truly can be considered an intriguing combination of a sports car and a luxury sedan, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.